It's Friday now. It's Friday, everybody. How's it going? So let me just take this off. There you go. Perfect. So it is Friday. I don't know who's in the chat once again, but if you're in here, let me know. I'm going to put some music on. We're going to do a little bit of scalping on gold like we did the other day, make it interesting. But first, let's go through the charts. We're going to be doing probably another duck race. I think we've already had 4. I'm not too sure. I will have to double check. But let's go in, have a look, and see what is going on. Brilliant. Let's go on to the dailies. Have a look and see what's going on. Gold has the potential to continue, in my humble opinion. We found some real nice support. Look at this, same type of pattern, just bigger. So if we do break up above here, then I do think we're going to have a similar type of pattern. So we can really take advantage of this as long as we remember what we're looking at. So you can see here, price made a double low, a double bottom at an area of demand, which is basically what we've just had right here on gold as well. So we've had a double bottom. All we need now is basically this to push up. We have a little bit of a retest, very similar to this type of price action right there. And then we want that type of breaking market structure. And then we're looking for the continuation. let's see what happens. Abdullah, my man, how's it going? Don't forget, guys, you've got the competition that is going on. You've got all of these different things that are happening at FundingRock. We've got obviously the 5Ks for $26. So if you're looking to get funded, then jump in and get another evaluation. So things are actually moving right now. You've got the FTSE as well, a lovely break continuation. You've got this area right here, which was an accumulation. We've had now a break above all of this range. We've got a retest, and now we look like we're making the continuation. So really, again, really lovely price action. Lots of bullish news in the FTSE as well, which we talked about. Myself and Michael talked about not so long ago on the Pipped Off podcast. But I really do think this is going to continue. Obviously, we've had this bullish break of structure, a retest, taken out the lows. We couldn't actually break underneath all of those wicks, so that was a really nice trading opportunity there. USD CHF. Okay, so this is consolidating. This is not consolidating in a good way, to be honest. You've got, you don't know. I don't know where this is going to go, to be honest. It looks at the moment, looks like it wants to go down, but again, we're in a range. Until the range is broken, we don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to stay away from it. Here we go. So here we got on Euro. I was looking at Euro actually to go down earlier, around about in this bit of consolidation. I was actually thinking that it was going to go down. In fact, we're not. We've broken and we're pushing up. Very difficult day to actually trade. This area is very, very difficult to trade as well. But overall, we are still making bullish market structure. So it looks still like we want to break a little bit higher. You can see there, I think we're going to have lower on the dollar, to be honest. Pound, same type of thing. Nothing really to go into. Crypto, Abdullah, I know you love crypto. We're both into crypto and everything. So here we go. Let me just double check that the community, everybody's got. Yeah. Abdullah, should we trade some gold? Should we see if we can get any scalps on gold? I quite enjoyed that the other day with you. FTSE also is a really good opportunity to trade the FTSE, but let's have a look at the 30-second gold chart. See if we can trade this thing. Pretty wild. On a 1 minute to see what we're at the 1 minute. Okay. Not going to go too crazy. We're just going to be looking to scalp this particular chart. So at the moment we come into an area of demand. Ideally we come down to this 50. See if we can get into a trade, the first trade, which is coming down to this 50. And if it pops up, then we'll get out. We're looking for 1% risk, so $1,000 and we're out. We're underneath all the EMAs, which at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter too much, but I'm expecting just a little bit of a push down. There you go. See if we can get that pop. If it breaks and closes above, then definitely we're out. Yeah, getting out. Got that continuation. So just took a small loss on that. I do want to get long. Let's see if we can get that closed. There you go. I'm going to put my stop underneath that low. Hold on a second. I want to put this tape. I want to put the tape profit on this. There you go. Stop loss underneath that low. All right, so we did hit the 50. 50 was a little bit low. We broke that little area there. So for me, it should pop up. And if it fails, I've got the stop loss just underneath that low. We'll get out of a break at the top. A quick like 1-to-1. $4,937 is the buy. Stall him. Okay. Got 3 candles down, 3 candles up. See if we can get that close. And then all I'm going to do after, if we can get a close above that, then I'm putting my stops to break even. It's got to close above that. Okay. Okay. It's a nice impulsive move. Take a little bit of risk off. I don't know. Yeah. If you passed phase 2, then you would have been waiting for the doing the KYC and everything like that. So, but I'm not going to be able to do anything here, man. This is not the place to be asking for support questions. In all respect. So with this, it still doesn't want to break up above that candle, which is a little bit of a red flag. Here we go. Here we go. Go on. Let's see if we can get a break. Gonna put the stop underneath that impulse. That's gonna be a hard stop. Okay. Once this candle closes, I'm gonna rise it up just underneath the last candle. I think I'm happy with that. Let's get a confirmation. I'm not confirming the stop loss just yet. Got 19 seconds, 17 seconds. See how much we can get on this gold trade. I'm just going to wait until it actually breaks the top of that candle before I put in the hard stop. Ten seconds. Okay, we're back at break even. Okay. So now we're basically break even on the trade. See if we can break this candle. And take a little bit off as well. Gonna take half off. Okay, half's been taken off. Where are we saying golden bear? We're looking for 4985. 4985. Oh, well, we got 4985. No, we haven't, not yet. See if it can hold on this EMA. It might get taken out. Nice. One second. Okay, next candle's open. Shame you haven't really got 30-second charts on MT5 and C Trader, which is annoying. The 30-second charts on Trade Locker are fantastic. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the feed is really good. Three candles, really nice. Gonna take a little bit off, a little bit more off. Go on, what's going on, mate? You all right? What is going on? See if we can get that break at the highs. If we can break that high, then I'm putting the stop loss right underneath those candles. Yeah, crypto payment on its way. Don't worry. Do not worry. We're getting it. So my stop loss is still underneath this. I haven't put in this order yet. I'll confirm this order once it gets over. If not, when the stop is still here. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out. Oh, nearly. Wow. Wow. You can see the stop is literally right there. Okay, brilliant. We're pretty much at break even right now. See if we can get... Let's see what else it goes. What else does it? If it breaks underneath these EMAs, then we could take it a little bit lower. Let's see what happens. What are you boys trading? What's everyone trading at the moment? Right, this is our little range. Nasdaq. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Okay, interesting. Nice little push up on Nasdaq. All of the equities are up. Bitcoin 67. All right, we're moving nicely. Yeah, we're moving nicely. What we could do, break, retest, continuation trade if we can break these highs. If we wick this high and then come back down, so if we do, let's say something like this. Let's say if we break up like that and then just fail, we could get into a trade like this, short back into this area. And if we break and we hold, then we can take this long. Maybe in that type of idea. So we're just going to wait and see. UK, born and bred. UK, born and bred. Okay, let's have a look and see if this closes. Could be our pattern, just a little bit early. I would like to see, prices consolidating really right just underneath this high. So I think price would probably go up if it was going to go up and wick up and then come down. At the moment, we're pretty bullish. If you have a look at gold at the moment, it's really bullish. Now we've completed that break, retest, continuation. This is the follow through. There you go. See what happens now. What's my trading style? Trading style, break, retest, continuations, market structure. Normally we're on a higher time frame, but since we're in the live trading room, practicing our scalping skills. On. No, I think we're going to go short here. Yeah. I'm gonna go short here. This could be a bit of a mistake, but take it down to these here. I'll let this go long against me for at least. We'll have a look. If it goes 0.5%, then I'll take a bit off. If it goes to 1%, then I'll take the whole thing off. Oh. So a hard close under that 100 EMA. 200 EMA, sorry. Let's see what it does. I'm putting my stop on. Whoa. Okay, I'm out. Wild. Oof. Why I got out? Let's wait and see what happens. If we can get back into this range, then we'll happily take it down here. Let me sell again. ICT is a good style. We've got a lot of ICT traders. They're good traders. Good traders. 30 scalping on the 30-second chart though. If you can get it, you can train on it. Don't forget this is a demo account, okay? This is a demo account. This is one of the evaluation accounts. This is just a little bit of practice. So don't think trading your own personal capital like the way that I'm doing is the right thing. I'm practicing. Good evening, mate. How's everything going? So to be fair, I'm probably in the wrong position. You can see we've had a break and retest. The only thing that I would say, okay, there you go. Let's see if we can close underneath that. Thing, 30-second chart is absolutely wild. Think of it. This is literally like a point. This is a stop loss of like, okay, no, it's not. It's 14 points. It's really tight. It's a really tight stop loss. Still holding on these EMAs. Probably safe getting out if it comes back up and takes the high of this candle. What's going on, bro? Rohit, what's going on? How are you doing? You should call these sessions the live scalping training of gold. This is what we should call these. I quite like doing these actually, because you can actually see very fast if you're what's happening on the trade. Whereas, you know, when we were doing the live streams before, we're doing the live streams and we were on like 15-minute charts and stuff. Even though price is at the same place all the time, it doesn't matter. It's on the 15. It's the same price on the 15-minute that it is right now. But you're not necessarily going to trade this bit of price action the way that we're doing it on, you know, on a 15-minute. Like, that's all we're going for. I think that's a decent look. It's a decent trade. We've popped up the top here. Made a little bit of a wick. Maybe that little bit of a retracement. I don't think that's a bad trade, actually, on the 15-minute. Looks like we're going to get taken out. There you go. What's your this month P&L, bro? My P&L is not looking too good this month. Not good. See what it does. This is these charts, these 30-second charts are absolutely wild. Absolutely wild. Yeah, okay. There you go, we got a bit of a run up. Break even. See if we can get a close above this. $500, nice little bit of profit there. Well done. Well done. When will the duck race start? I don't think we have enough people in here for the duck race right now. Oh, we're 11 people in. I'll have to check. I think we've done 4 duck races. I will have to check. I haven't got the duck race ready today. Yeah, and what have you been trading, man? You've been trading. Is it gold you've been trading? What is the asset that you've been trading? See if we can get an ad on this. Yeah, nice. Added a little bit more. See if we can actually break above. Everybody trades what they need to trade. Everybody trades what they enjoy, what they like, what they're good at. And it's got the volatility. That's what a lot of the traders want. They just want the volatility. Look, what's going on right now? Crazy. Have you always traded gold, or have you traded other things as well? Let's prepare for drinks breaker 98.5. Let's see. I'm about to get stopped out by the looks of it. I think gold is bullish macro. It's bullish, bro. It's going up. That's all we need to care about. What happened the other week was just flushed out so much price. Just flushed out everything, but I still think we're going further up. Like, if you have a look at everything that's going on in the world, like, but I don't, when it comes to holding long term, I'm just buying ETFs, gold ETFs, silver ETFs. I think that's a nice in between. There you go. We're out. Watch it probably go all the way up now, because my stop was really in this area of demand. If you have a look at it, like right in this prior area of demand. You think it's short-term bullish? Let's actually have a look. Let's have a look like on a weekly. It's, let's say, what we're in now, we don't know, but it could possibly be a long-term range. Maybe we've got a long-term range. But for it to, we've got a lot of time that we've got to accumulate up in this area before we then, you know, start breaking like down properly. We're not just gonna like, you know, like it did the other week, just breaks down and just goes like that. We obviously, this is on a weekly, but all we've done is come back down, picked up orders, and then we're just flying back up. And I reckon we're going to get this filled. $4,750. That's where we're pretty much at now. On the 1 hour. Yeah, at the moment we've got this this 200 EMA that is hit, but we broke it we broke it. It's quite aggressive. Let's see if we can get we'll do one more trade because I'm getting my ass beat, to be fair. Let's go. We'll go take that short. We'll take it to the 200 EMA, which is here. I think this is good though, just to practice trying to trade a little bit differently. And this will be the last one anyway for today. We'll go and actually, I'll do a little bit of analysis on the crypto market, just because crypto has been going absolutely crazy. All I hear on Twitter and stuff is just crypto. So we'll go through and have a look at what crypto is doing. Especially when you're on like this type of chart, you've got to be in and out really. If it's not doing what it's supposed to do straight away, then that's your signal to get out. Like this. Really, we want to now push fast. Now, guys, if you're looking for your next evaluation, you've got the $26 5K account. And at the moment, you've got 1 to 50 leverage on gold, which is insane. I think this is our last one. See what it does. I think this is 1% up here. All of these wicks right at the area of demand, which is not ideal. To be honest, this week for us at FundingRock has been super busy. I haven't really had much time to properly trade. Only on the trading room, really, I've actually had time to actually trade and have a look at properly at charts. But I know, let's have a look at the competition, because I know the competition is out. I will be doing the competition with you guys. Okay, so you got 400 people in the competition. You got the rules. So we've got two 50K accounts, we've got two 25K accounts, and we've got $10,000 account. Highest profit wins, maximum daily drawdown. This is tough. This is a tough one. Then you've got minimum trading days, consistency rule, so on and so forth. But this is February's competition. Let's have a look at the leaderboard, see who's in the lead at the moment. Okay, we've got $1,000 here. We've got a lovely $9,000. We've got another 6,000. Sackett, 6K. Sackett smashing it with a 6K. Okay, brilliant. Okay, this is really good. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's see if we can get that. This is the last trade for us today. But if you're not in the competition, guys, go on to the competition. Name Saint founded account, sir. Don't know what that means. Who's in the competition already? Is anybody in here that's already in the competition? What's the next target for? What is the next target for? To be honest, the next target for gold, I reckon we come to take out that high. To be honest, don't know if that'll be today or don't know when that's going to be, but I reckon we're taking out that high. That will be my target. So 50, 80 would be my target on gold when I'm not on the 30-second chart. There you go. I'm going to get taken out. Let's see what happens. Pretty much over. So I'm going to have to close it anyway. There you go. It would have taken me out straight away anyway. Guys, again, go on to the competition. Make sure you're registered. We've got 416 people in there at the moment. It means, you know, when you do all these competitions where there's just so many people, the chance you're getting to actually get a prize is really small. This, you've got a much bigger chance to actually get it. So you got all the rules right here. Don't forget, you've got the leaderboard of some of our funded traders. You got 9K, 6K. We've got some really nice traders with really nice profits. We've got a 21%. Of course, gold. Nice. Nice, 45 minutes. Yeah, really nice trades. In the last commission, it was 45, but due to the gold crash, I lost the account. Trust me, mate. It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's not the end of the world. Let's keep an eye on everything that's going on. And guys, have a lovely weekend. Relax. And and we'll see you next week for a new trading week. All right, bye. That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future. Best of luck.